Couple of questions online.
Yeah, go on from online, further online.
A sister is asking about her Iddah period after Khula. She has medical condition which makes her menstruate once a year. How long should she wait? And also, is she allowed to go?
Repeat the question.
So a sister is asking about her Iddah period after Khula.
She's asking her Iddah period after Khula. After the Khula. Khula means she is demanding for the divorce. So the divorce will be basically on her request. So she will be giving like a compensation, maybe a bit of money, half of the dowry, or less percentage of the dowry. And then the husband will grant her divorce called Khula. And the Iddah is 1 month, 1 menses. And this Iddah is not cooling off period. No, it's just to make sure that she's not pregnant. So in normal cases, it is 1 menses, 1 cycle. Okay, and this is just to make sure that she's not pregnant. But as soon as this divorce has been uttered, it's irreversible, meaning she's not his wife anymore. It's not like the husband, his own decision to divorce her, not the khula. So the normal divorce is the husband will divorce his wife, and the iddah will be 3 menses in normal cases, unless she's pregnant until she delivers her baby. During the 3 months menses, she's still, the 3 cycles, she's still his wife. She's not allowed to leave the house. But the khula, no, she's not his wife anymore. As soon as he utters it, they're strangers. But the 1 month is to make sure that she's not pregnant. This is in the normal cases. But she's saying what?
Yeah, she's saying she has a medical condition which makes her menstruate only once a year.
Okay, so she has, basically, she has a physical condition, like something to do with, I don't know, illness or something, makes her to make what? To have a cycle?
Once a year.
Once a year. Then she has to wait until that cycle. Okay? She has to wait until that cycle. If she is sure that she cycles, she's got a cycle. But if she's not, then it's 1 month. That means she's old. Or the womb has been taken away by operation. She does not give what? Cycles. She does not give the menstruation, the period. Then it is 1 month. But she knows it's going to take place because of a condition for 1 year. And then it's until she takes it, until her cycle comes. But if she had her cycle stopped and she doesn't know the reason, do you understand me? She normally has cycles and her cycle is not showing. And she doesn't know. There's no illness. It's not because she's old. It's nothing. And she has to wait for a full year until she has another marriage. Okay? That is the case. But these days, alhamdulillah, with the medical improving, we could really know straight away. Alhamdulillah. Now,
also, is she allowed to go out and attend gatherings such as children events in her school?
well, can she or can't she? Can she not?
She's asking the question, is she allowed
I'm
to?
asking you guys, what do you think after this? Can she go after the divorce?
Yes.
Of course, she's not his wife. And she's not a widow. So she's allowed to what? When she wants to go?
To children's events in school.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. She's allowed to leave. She's not a wife anymore. She is a divorcee. Khalas. Yeah. The iddah is just to make sure she's not pregnant. I said it, maybe you skip your mind. She's not pregnant. If she's pregnant until she delivers her baby, that's the iddah. That means she took it married, that's all. The iddah is not to stay in the house, ikhwani. The iddah is for the marriage. But the iddah for death is different. The iddah for death is not to do with pregnancy. No. It's to do with the respect for the husband. To show the great, you could say, obligations on her towards her husband. 4 months and 10 days. Unless she's pregnant again. Until she delivers her baby. Until she delivers her baby. But if she's not pregnant, it's 4 months, 10 days. It's nothing to do with menses. So can anybody tell me another irreversible divorce apart from the khula? Somebody who's going to be having a iddah, he could go out in the iddah because he's not his wife anymore. Yalla. Somebody accused of fornication. It's called li'an. Yes, this will dissolve. So it's called divorce, but it's not divorce. This is dissolving. It's called li'an, mula'ana, cursing. That will dissolve the whole marriage. They're not allowed to go to each other. I'm talking about divorce. After the 3, correct. After the 3rd divorce, it's called irreversible. She's not his wife anymore. But now, what is her iddah? There's a difference among the scholars. Ibn Taymiyyah, he says 1 month, just like the Khula. Al-Jumhur, majority of the scholars, they say 3 months, 3 cycles. Same thing, but she's not his wife. It's not cooling off period. It's just 3 months, 3 cycles. And as I said, it is just to make sure that she's not pregnant as well. Now.